we return to Shanghai, the epicenter of the automotive future, for the second part of our comprehensive review of the most striking premieres at the largest auto show of the year 2025. Here, on stages where technology blends with culture and design borders on art, Chinese automotive giants continue to astonish the world with their ambition and craftsmanship. In this part, we showcase vehicles that are already redefining what an electric car should be, from ultra-budget solutions to luxurious concepts with intelligence and soul. Once again, Shanghai proves that the automotive revolution is underway and its center has shifted to the east. At the Shanghai Auto Show, BYD once again proved that it is not just a leader in the Chinese automotive industry, but also one of the key catalysts of the global electric vehicle revolution. The electric car presented, the BYD Seagull EV Depal Edition, sparked genuine interest among both experts and thousands of exhibition visitors. This model became a true embodiment of the affordable future concept, a vehicle with modern design, intelligent technologies, and impressive specifications, priced at only $9,700 US. Despite its ultra-low price, the BYD Seagull offers a solid driving range, up to 405 kilometers under the CLTC cycle, making it a real competitor not only in the domestic market, but also internationally. What makes the model unique is that it is built on the E-Platform 3.0, which ensures reliability, safety, and fast charging. The battery charges from 0 to 80% in less than 30 minutes, a truly revolutionary figure in the budget electric vehicle segment. The BYD Seagull EV Depal Edition is more than just a car, it is a strategic statement. China is showing the world that electric vehicles can be affordable, advanced, and high quality all at once. On the same stage where the compact Seagull represents the accessibility of the future, BYD also unveiled the opposite pole of its philosophy: luxury, power, and technological perfection in the form of its new flagship, the BYD Denza Z9 GT PHEV Black Myth Wukong Edition. This exclusive version of the premium plug-in hybrid Grand Tourer became one of the most striking sensations of the 2025 Shanghai Auto Show, earning admiration from both automotive journalists and industry professionals. The model, developed under the Denza sub-brand, a joint venture between BYD and Mercedes-Benz, features a special limited edition inspired by the legendary Chinese myth of the Monkey King, Sun Wukong. This version of the Z9 GT represents the pinnacle of BYD's hybrid technologies. Equipped with a powerful plug-in hybrid system that includes 3 electric motors and a gasoline engine, it delivers a combined output of over 1,000 horsepower, accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 3 seconds, on par with hypercars. The electric-only range reaches 200 kilometers, more than enough for daily urban use without a single drop of fuel, while the total driving range exceeds 1,000 kilometers. At the BYD stand in Shanghai, another powerful note was struck in the symphony of high technology, the new BYD Seal06 Wukong Edition. This exclusive version of the already popular Seal06 GT electric sedan is not just a showcase of engineering excellence, but also a vivid continuation of the Black Myth Wukong theme, blending China's mythological heritage with modern trends in design and technology. Under the hood, the Seal06 GT EV Black Myth features a fully electric platform with 2 powerful electric motors and an all-wheel drive system. The combined output reaches 670 horsepower, enabling acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 3.5 seconds. A next-generation battery delivers a driving range of over 650 kilometers, and with support for 800-volt charging, it can be recharged from 30 to 80% in just 20 minutes. The model's design incorporates not only sporty aggression but also deep cultural meaning. The Black Myth Wukong theme is presented in rich dark tones with gold accents symbolizing the strength and divinity of the legendary hero. The BYD Seal06 GT has become a true embodiment of the company's ambition to elevate Chinese electric vehicles to the elite of the global automotive industry, not only through performance but also through emotional impact. Another new model unveiled at the Shanghai Auto Show 2025 was the impressive Geely Galaxy Cruiser PHEV, a conceptual all-wheel drive plug-in hybrid SUV with a unique design and expanded capabilities from the Chinese automotive giant Geely. Visually, the Galaxy Cruiser resembles a modern Chinese response to the Land Rover Defender: square, muscular body lines, high ground clearance, and massive off-road tires. The Galaxy Cruiser is built on a plug-in hybrid architecture with external charging capability and operates in tandem with an intelligent all-wheel drive system. While the exact specifications of the powertrain have not yet been disclosed, it is expected to deliver a total output of more than 400 horsepower, an electric-only range of up to 150 kilometers, and a combined range exceeding 1,200 kilometers. Its off-road capabilities are enhanced by an intelligent traction control system and adaptive suspension that adjusts to the most challenging road conditions. At the 2025 Shanghai Auto Show, Chery impressed the public not only with its production models, but also with a bold futuristic statement in the form of the Chery Exeed Tanji concept. This vehicle became a true calling card of the technological ambitions of Exeed, Chery's premium sub-brand aimed at the global market and positioned to compete with leading German and Korean automakers. The design of the Chery Exeed Tanji stuns with its daring shapes and aerodynamic purity. It looks as if it was sculpted in a wind tunnel of the future, with continuous LED light lines, sharply defined arches, and a sculpted rear end that seamlessly flows into an active spoiler. Under the hood is a fully electric powertrain, the exact specifications of which Chery has not yet disclosed. However, according to the developers, Tianji will be capable of accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in less than 4 seconds, and the driving range could exceed 800 kilometers, thanks to a next-generation solid-state battery developed in collaboration with strategic partners. The vehicle supports ultra-fast charging, and its intelligent battery thermal management system adapts to both climate and driving style. Another striking exhibit at the Shanghai Auto Show 2025 was the Chery Jetour F700 concept, a full-size premium pickup truck from the Jetour Zongheng sub-brand designed to compete with the Range Rover and other large luxury SUVs. The pickup is equipped with an 800-volt system and 6C ultra-fast charging technology, allowing the battery to charge from 20% to 80% in approximately 6 minutes. An exceptional figure for hybrid vehicles and a major leap forward in usability. The F700 is built on the new Kunlun platform and features an advanced hybrid powertrain. A 2-liter turbocharged internal combustion engine works in tandem with 2 electric motors, one on each axle. The total system output exceeds 750 horsepower, and torque is around 800 Newton-meters, making the pickup not only comfortable, but also highly dynamic on both highways and off-road terrain. Acceleration to 100 km per hour is expected in under 5 seconds, an impressive result for a vehicle of this size. Here is the Chang'an Depal G318 REV in the special stress-free crossing edition, presented by the Depal brand at the Shanghai Auto Show 2025. The model is equipped with 2 electric motors delivering a combined output of 424 horsepower, providing all-wheel drive and acceleration to 100 km per hour in 6.3 seconds. The 35 kilowatt-hour battery allows for a range of up to 190 kilometers on pure electric power, and thanks to the built-in gasoline generator, the total range reaches an impressive 1,000 kilometers. Fast charging to 80% takes about 30 minutes. Additional features include adaptive suspension, adjustable ride height, descent and ascent assistance, a surround view camera, and towing support up to 1,600 kilograms. The passenger space is thoughtfully organized. The cabin offers more than 30 different storage compartments, and the trunk volume reaches 1,747 liters with the rear seats folded down. One of the most highly anticipated debuts at the Shanghai Auto Show was the NIO ET9 EV, the next-generation flagship electric vehicle from Chinese company NIO, long recognized as one of the leaders in the premium EV segment. At first glance, the ET9 impresses with its refined yet monumental design. The sedan's exterior embodies a harmony between Scandinavian minimalism and Asian elegance. Smooth body contours are paired with striking LED light lines, dynamic air intakes, and flush-mounted door handles. Technically, the NIO ET9 is the quintessence of everything the company has developed over years of research. Its dual-motor electric drivetrain delivers all-wheel drive and a combined output of approximately 750 horsepower, allowing acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3.1 seconds. But its greatest pride is the next-generation battery, offering a range of up to 1,000 kilometers and compatible with the proprietary NIO Power Swap 4.0 system. The battery swap process now takes less than 3 minutes and is fully automated down to the smallest detail. The German company BMW brought to the exhibition its high-tech and striking concept car, the BMW Vision Noya Klasse concept. At the core of the concept lies a revolutionary electronic platform powered by a central supercomputer called the Heart of Joy, which controls all of the vehicle's dynamic functions, from braking to energy recuperation. The exact power output has not been officially disclosed, but according to journalist estimates, it exceeds 1,300 horsepower. This enables the vehicle to accelerate to 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 3.5 seconds. The main highlight of the interior is the BMW Panoramic Vision head-up display, which stretches across the entire width of the windshield. Both the driver and passengers can control it using gestures and synchronize it with the central screen or their smartphones. Cadillac brought to the exhibition its first next-generation 3-row electric crossover, the 2026 Cadillac Vistic EV, which made its debut at the Shanghai Auto Show 2025. This premium electric SUV is built on the GM BEV3 platform and features a 102 kWh Ultium battery pack. It is equipped with 2 electric motors delivering a combined output of 615 horsepower and 880 Newton-meters of torque, enabling acceleration to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.7 seconds. The estimated range is approximately 480 kilometers on a single charge. DC fast charging at up to 190 kilowatts allows the vehicle to gain around 130 kilometers of range in just 10 minutes. Inside, the Vistic offers a high-tech and luxurious atmosphere. The centerpiece of the interior is a 33-inch curved OLED display that integrates the digital instrument cluster and multimedia system.